Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to show hidden files and folders. At the minute, you can see on my screen, I do have a couple of files and I do have a folder. If I right click on this file here and go to properties, and if I now set the attribute to hidden and press apply, I will no longer be able to see that text document. If I now select all the files and the folder and do the same again and go hidden and press apply and just go apply changes to selected items only and press OK, as you can see they are now all hidden. If I want to be able to see these files and the folder again, all I need to do is go to View and I need to go to Options. You now need to go to View and you need to select Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives and press Apply. And now if you press OK, as you can see, the files and folder are slightly transparent, and that is because they are hidden. This will apply to any folder or hard drive on my computer now. I will be able to see all hidden files and folders, and it really is as easy as that. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.